Namaskar, myself Dr. Suprit welcomes you all in the daily weather briefing of India Meteorological Department. Today is 23rd March. We'll start with the highlights of today's presentation. Due to active consecutive 3 western disturbances isolated to scattered rainfall activity with thunderstorm and gusty winds likely to continue over northwest India during the week, a scattered to fairly widespread rainfall along with thunderstorm, lightning and gusty wind likely over northeast and adjoining East India during the week, with the possibility of isolated heavy rainfall over Arunachal Pradesh, Assam and Meghalaya on 24th and 27th to 28th March. Then hot and humid conditions likely to prevail at isolated pockets over Konkan and Kerala during 23rd to 25th March. Now we'll see the observed weather during past 24 hours. So heavy rainfall, that is 7 to 11 centimeter rainfall, has been recorded at isolated places over Assam. Apart from that, thunderstorm activity accompanied with squally and gusty wind speeds with reaching 30 to 50 km per hour is recorded from isolated places over Arunachal Pradesh, Assam and Meghalaya, Imphal, Jammu, Uttarakhand, Haryana, West Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh, Konkan and Goa, Madhya Maharashtra, Marathwada, Gujarat region and also over Kutch. Now synoptic systems. The western disturbance as an upper air cyclonic circulation lies over Jammu and neighborhood. And after this, 2 more western disturbances in quick succession are likely to affect northwest India. The first one from 26th and second one from the night of 28th March. Then there are upper air cyclonic circulation, one over central Pakistan and neighborhood, then another over northeast Rajasthan and neighborhood, and then another over northeast Assam and neighborhood, and then one over north coastal Andhra Pradesh and neighborhood, all in the lower tropospheric level. And then there is also a trough or wind discontinuity which runs from Gulf of Mannar to West Vidarbha in the lower tropospheric level. Now we'll see the forecast of daytime temperatures during next 7 days. A gradual rise in maximum temperature, that is by 3 to 5 degrees centigrade, likely over northwest India during next 4 days and no large change thereafter for subsequent 3 days. Then gradual rise in maximum temperatures by 2 to 4 degrees centigrade likely over central India during next 4 days and no large change thereafter for subsequent 3 days. Gradual rise in maximum temperatures by 4 to 6 degrees centigrade likely over East India during next 5 days and no large change thereafter for subsequent 2 days. Gradual rise in maximum temperatures by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade likely over West India during next 3 days and no large change thereafter for subsequent 4 days. Then gradual rise in maximum temperatures by 2 to 3 degrees centigrade likely over southern peninsula India during next 4 days and no large change thereafter for the subsequent 3 days. Apart from that, there is no significant maximum temperature change likely over rest part of the country. Now we'll see the subdivision wise weather warning for day 1, that is for today. So large thunderstorm activity along with gusty or squally wind speed is forecasted for Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, northeastern states, sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim, East Rajasthan, and also over Madhya Maharashtra, Marathwada, and also over interior Karnataka and Rayalaseema and coastal Andhra Pradesh. All these states have given yellow warning for today. Apart from that, hot and humid weather is also forecasted over Konkan and Kerala. At isolated places, yellow warning is given for that. For day 2, thunderstorm activity likely to continue over northeastern states along with heavy rainfall at 1 or 2 places over Assam, Meghalaya and Arunachal Pradesh. And apart from that, sub-Himalayan West Bengal, heavy rainfall at isolated place along with thunderstorm and squally windy speeds and lightning, and also possibility of hailstorms at 1 or 2 places. So orange warning is given for sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim, and yellow warning is given for the rest of the places in northeast India. Then in over southern India, thunderstorm warning continues over Madhya Maharashtra and Marathwada, and also over interior Karnataka, Rayalaseema and coastal Andhra Pradesh. All these places, yellow warning continues for day 2 also. Over Kerala and Konkan coast, hot and humid warning continues. Yellow warning is given for the same. For day 3, the thunderstorm activity will reduce over northeast India and over Sikkim and sub-Himalayan West Bengal. Thunderstorm, lightning and gusty wind speed is forecasted. Yellow warning is given for that. Thunderstorm activity over Madhya Maharashtra, Marathwada, interior Karnataka, Rayalaseema, coastal Andhra Pradesh continues along with gusty and gusty wind speeds. So that yellow warning is continue, and hot and humid warning is only given for Kerala for day 3. For day 4, the hot and humid warning over Kerala continues, and then thunderstorm activity along with gusty wind speeds and lightning warning is given for interior Karnataka, coastal Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh state, Telangana, Vidarbha, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, and also over Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, some West Bengal and Sikkim, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, our Western Himalayan region, Jammu, Kashmir, Ladakh, and also over Himachal Pradesh and Punjab and Haryana for day 4. And for day 5, thunderstorm activity is given for Uttarakhand. Thunderstorm activity related yellow warning is given for Uttarakhand and also over Bihar, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, West Bengal state, and over northeastern states, especially Assam, Meghalaya, and Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, and Tripura. Isolated heavy rainfall warning is also given for Assam, Meghalaya, and Arunachal Pradesh for day 5. And over South India, thunderstorm activity will likely to continue over Karnataka and Telangana and Andhra Pradesh state. All these places, yellow warning is given for day 5. For day 6, thunderstorm warning is given only for Jammu Kashmir and Rajasthan, along with Odisha, Gangetic West Bengal and Jharkhand, and heavy rainfall warning at 1 or 2 places for northeast states, yellow warning for all these states. And for day 7, thunderstorm activity likely to continue over Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, and Rajasthan region, also over Gangetic West Bengal. So that's all for today. For more detail and updates, please log on to our website mausam.imd.gov.in and also download our Mausam app. Thank you for watching. Namaskar. Jai Hind.